Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Really today a very fun filled recipe. I'm going to show you that Aloo Peyaj wala Paneer Rajasthani style. Here I have taken some whole potatoes, some whole onion and some paneer. First of all, I'm going to make a paste. I'll show you all what is the paste ingredients. The spice mix will contain onion, tomatoes, ginger, green chili and few cashew nuts. Today I have taken broken cashew nuts. Friends, this is not a dhaba style or restaurant style cooking. This is a very authentic, very known dish of Rajasthan, but I am going to make it totally homemade style, making it very easy. Actually, these are separately grinded, but I am going to grind together to make a single paste, and I'll show you all how easily it comes out. The paste is ready. To add a little bit of color to the paste, I have added a little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder, which is optional. You can avoid it. Now let us go to the cooking. Here I have taken some vegetable oil. You can use mustard oil also, and here I will be first frying the potatoes, and then I will be frying the onions till they are golden from outside, both potatoes and onions. Friends, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe button and the bell icon. If you press the bell icon, you are going to get all the notification as soon as I upload my videos. And those who are already with me, a lot of thanks to all of them and all my best wishes for them. Now friends, one more thing, if you all see the videos, please see the full video, because I also generally prefer watching the videos full, because in that case you know that what the person is cooking and what are the catches of the dishes till the end. Now here goes the tempering. Here the tempering is a bay leaf, a little bit of garam masala powder, a pinch of garam masala powder. You can add whole garam masala also, and let the aroma release. And then I will be adding a little bit of cumin powder, say half a teaspoonful or 1/4 teaspoonful of cumin powder. When all of these tempering releases a lovely aroma, I am going to add the spice mix. This everything together I have made a paste. Now some water after washing the mixie jar, and this I am going to fry till the rawness of it goes out and the oil releases from the sides. For this I will be covering this and cooking for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 minutes I'll show you all, friends, and in between see my potatoes and onions are nicely fried, which I forgot to show you all. Now here see the oil has been released. Now to this I'm going to add half a cup of curd, salt according to your taste of course, and then goes the curd. And after washing the curd bowl also, I will be adding a little bit of water. Now mix everything nicely and again cover it at medium flame for at least 5 minutes again. By this unattended way, the oil will be released, and you need not to mix everything or keep an eye on it. Now after 5 minutes I'll show you all, friends. The totally the oil has released on top of the mix of curd and masala. Now mix it, and one more thing, don't raise the flame, because this paste contains kaju. It tends to stick at the bottom of the pan, so be careful about that. If you are skeptical, better to mix once or twice in between, though I haven't done that. Now to this I'm going to add the potatoes and the onions, which I have already fried. Now I'll add 1 teaspoonful of crushed kasuri methi to it and mix everything nicely once again. To this now I am adding the paneer. I have not fried the paneer today. If you want, you can fry the paneer. The paneers are very soft and very fresh, so I thought like not frying them, and very gently mix them, because as I told you, all paneers are very soft, so they may tend to break. So be very careful about handling it. Now cover it and cook it on low medium flame for at least 5 minutes again, so that the aroma is absorbed by the paneer, the potato and the onions. Now after 5 minutes our dish is ready to serve. You can adjust the consistency according to your choice. Now here goes a little bit of coriander leaves just for the garnishing. You can avoid this also. Now I will serve this and show you all, friends. But one more thing, friends, be careful, do not add any sweetener to it. Your dish is now ready, and this dish goes very well with everything, you name it, and it goes very well. It goes with kulcha, it goes with paratha, it goes with puri, it goes with chapati, and even with steamed rice also. So do try it and let me know, friends, how you enjoyed. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again.